Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Google Sheets with the Google Translate and the Read Aloud extension to make vocabulary and content more accessible for multilingual learners. And this is especially helpful for students who have emerging print literacy in their mother tongues when written translations alone may not be enough. So, by adding a text to speech function, students can hear the words rather than just read them on print. So, in this Google Sheet, I've created two sample Google Sheets that are specifically for a unit on food and the environment. One is for the documentary Eating Our Way to Extinction, and the other is for an activity learning about greenwashing in food marketing. So for this demonstration, I'm going to show you how to set up the translation function for the greenwashing activity. So in column A, I've written words or phrases in English. And in column B, we're going to translate those into Arabic. And in column C, we'll translate them to Kiswahili. But of course, you can adapt this for any language your student needs that's available on Google Translate. So we're going to do this by using a formula. So click on the first empty cell in column B, B2, and we're going to write our formula. So it's going to be equals, and then you're going to type Google Translate. It'll pop up. And now inside we want to tell it what to do. So first we're going to say that we want it to translate this source. So A2, we're going to click on the box to the left, the first box in the English column, 100% natural. And then we're going to do a comma. And now you're going to input your source language and then the target language. To do that, you need two-letter language codes. I know them already. I've checked them, but I found them you can find them on Wikipedia. They call the ISO language codes. They're two letters. So inside quotation marks, you're going to put your two-letter code for the source language, which is English. So quotation mark EN, another comma. So now you've got your source language, and now we just need to do our target language, which is going to be, in this case, Arabic, which is the two-letter code is AR. Put it inside quotation marks, comma, press enter, and you see it automatically will translate the box to the left. You want to have this, click on this box, and you're going to drag the corner down just like you would if it was, if you were doing a mathematical formula like a sum. Bring it down, and it's going to automatically translate all the words in the list. Super handy. And you can repeat this process for a new language. So column C, we're going to do the same thing. Equal sign, Google Translate. Our source is going to be, again, A2, 100% natural, comma. And this time, oops, not comma, it's quotation marks. Still English is the source. But this time it's going to be the code, which I checked, is going to be SW. Put that inside your bracket. And you can drag it down like that. And now you've got the words. So it's nice to have the translations, but for our students who would benefit from having those words read out loud, you can use the read aloud function. I've already added it as a Google extension. just through the Google, the Chrome store. Search for Read Aloud, add it to Chrome, install the extension. And so to use it, double click on the cell of the phrase or the word that you want and highlight it, and then click Read Aloud.
100% as silly.
So, an English sounding voice. If you want to make the voices more natural, language appropriate, you're going to go to the settings icon in Read Aloud. So it's right here. And go to voice. And now you can change the voice that you want for the English. But you also, if you scroll down to the bottom, you have the option to add more languages. So you go here, I've already added Arabic, got English, and Swahili, Kiswahili. And you can add as many languages as you want. Each column, new language, add a new voice to it. And this method, it makes vocabulary, of course, more accessible. It enhances comprehension for multilingual learners. And I hope you find this helpful for your classroom. Have fun and have fun exploring it with your students.